At number 10 of our list is Red Bone Inshore Spinning Rod. At number 9 we have Abu Garcia Veridos 2.0 Spinning Rod. Moving on at number 8, Fitwick HMG Spinning Rods. Next up, at number 7, Tika UEHA Series Surf Spinning Fishing Rod. At number 6, Berkeley C Series Crappie Pro Spinning Rod. Next up at number 5, Street Croy Triumph Spinning Rods. Moving on at number 4, Humor Longitude Surf Graphite Rods. At number 3 on the list is Fiblink 4 Pieces Travel Casting Rod. At number 2, Ugly Stick GX2 Spinning Rod. The number 1 product on this list is Sao Lang Spinning Telescopic Fishing Rod.